Morning, student of class 7. Today we will study chapter number 21 of English grammar, active and passive. So active and passive, first you have to understand what is active sentence and what is passive sentence. So any sentence whatever you are speaking, that is in active. Suppose that I write a letter, this one active sentence. And when you will change it in passive, that will be by in a different way. I write a letter. So what will be its passive? A letter is written by me. So any sentence can be expressed by two types. Okay, one is active and one is passive. But only transitive, they are in verbs you have studied transitive verb and intransitive verb. So only transitive sentences, verb sentences can be changed into passive. Intransitive not possible because they don't have any object, and in passive voice to change object is required. So okay, so here check, here are some, and actually what is written here I am going to read. You must remember that a verb can be transitive and intransitive, but all verbs transitive and intransitive can be used in their active forms, but a verb can you use in the passive form only when it is intransitive. So here are check, all they are in active. Astha respect the teacher. Mita is playing cricket. The teacher praised Yash. Amber carried a heavy bag. Superman jumped from the building. So in the all the five sentences, check, they are the transitive verb sentences. First, Astha respect the teacher. What is the subject here? Astha. Verb what is? Respects. And object what is? The teacher. So the teacher will be the new subject of passive voice. And which type of tense it is? Respects. Simple present means present indefinite. In the present indefinite, in passive voice, when you are going to change, is, am, are is used. And one more important thing, that always verb third form is used in passive. Always verb third, either positive, negative, or interrogative. So what will be the teacher? And the teacher is singular or plural number? Singular number. The teacher is respect. Now third form of the verb, respected. By whom? Before the new object, what will be? By added, by Astha. So the teacher is respected by Astha, like this. Okay, so here subject are written and some. Okay, so what is here? The verb, subject of the verb perform the action, therefore the verb are inactive. When the subject of a verb receives the action, the verb is said to be an in passive voice. So here what I have said, check, is the teacher is respected by Astha. Mita is playing cricket. So cricket is being, because Mita is playing cricket, it means continuous, present continuous. So in the present continuous is am, are plus being is used. And all the continuous means present continuous, past continuous, future, sorry, all the perfect continuous, sorry, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous, and one more of future continuous, that's tense. Passive voice will not be changed. Okay, that you have to remember. And now there are some rule what I have already told you, that is written here, rules to change active into passive. When a verb is changed from the active to passive, object what I have told. Okay, only transitive verb means object is required to change. Always use third form of the verb. Okay, and eight tenses can be changed, what I had told. Eight tense, total 12. Eight tense will be changed, four not changed. Means all the perfect continuous. Perfect continuous means present, past, and future, and one more future continuous, that will not be here. Okay, and now tense chart, how, what helping verb is used in the indefinite present. Check here, active actually. Okay, active here. This one, A indicate active and P indicate passive. So new means object is there, is, am, are plus verb third form, by and subject. Let's check here. In the past, what is was, were, verb third form by and subject. Future, shall, will plus be, verb third form by and this one. Continuous is am, are. Active, next page on this one. Okay, was, were and shall, will. This one active form. Passive on the next page that we will study tomorrow. Okay, thank you for today.